Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. Today is Monday, our map day, and we are continuing our study of both story and character. To get us going, to introduce our topic for the week, here's Victoria.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. So here we are, week 2 in February. We're closer to spring. We're getting the classes done. We've got great stuff planned for you. So for this session, what we're going to talk about tomorrow is, if you recall, last week, we went over the offering. So the setup or the kickoff, the thing that you're offering to your reader to bring them into your story. So what we're going to talk about tomorrow in the map session is I want to break down the kinds of things that happen in the middle to move your story along towards the end. So I'm going to take that middle section and I'm going to divide it into 2 pieces. So tomorrow we're going to talk about the milestones and the discoveries. This can be an up thing or a down thing, but I'm going to save the definition of those for you until tomorrow. No spoilers. But what we're going to do is we're going to break it apart and look at some of the ways that you can make discoveries, or you can reveal milestones so that you're moving your character and your plot along through that midsection. You avoid the muddle in the middle and you land your reader safely at the end of the story, which we will talk about when we get to our next session, which will be several weeks from now. So I will see you tomorrow to talk about milestones and discoveries. With that, I will send you back over to Kathleen.
Okay, thank you so much, Victoria. Well, this week for character development, we are going to pick up where we left off in the first week, where we were talking about the rudder traits. And of course, you know those rudder traits are the place where your story makes its move. Well, there's something fascinating that you probably know because we've introduced it in the past, which is the idea that in your story, it is very likely that your character, at least your main character and maybe one other character, will have a shift in their character profile diagram. The diagram will gradually turn as your story unfolds. Well, tomorrow in the map session, we're going to talk a little bit more about the rudder, but we're going to be talking about how the rudder changes into the anchor and what the implications of that are for your story. But I'm not going to spoil anything. We'll wait for tomorrow for all of the details. Anything to add, Victoria?
Nope. As always, we dovetail perfectly. I can't wait to get started.
Okay, see you tomorrow.